SEZांक दिल्ले जमनी वेल्यान ते उद्देजकांबरोबर पर्रीकार सरकार सेटलमेंट करूंक सोदता। सरकार कसलो सेटलमेंट करूंक सोदता, कोणाक कितें मेळटले काय म्हूण काँग्रेसीक दुबाव आनी हे सगळे चल्ला ते जांच्याकडल्यान जमीन घेतल्या ते शेतकारांक आनी सामान्यांक फटोवन म्हूण काँग्रेसीचो आरोप। काँग्रेसीकूय खंय गोंयांत ADMs जाय।
The status quo is there for many years now. Land is blocked. Now Goa government should have pursued this matter in the Supreme Court, that this notification should be cancelled and Goa government has got right to get it cancelled, and therefore please cancel it. On the contrary, now this is important. It appears that Goa government wants to have a settlement with these industrialists. I would like to know what sort of settlement. Who is going to get what? And the farmers or the people from whom the land was acquired have been consulted in this regard or not? The government has acquired, no doubt. But if you are going to have compromise, then those people should be consulted. You cannot say that only now government is the owner or those companies are the owner, and therefore people have nothing to do. If compromise is going to be held, according to me, the people to whom the land originally belonged should be consulted.
हुनराक मारपाक खंय घर जाळचें न्ही, काँग्रेसीकूय गोंयांत ADMs आयिल्ले जाय।
Mr. Vinod Palekar has expressed concern and has sort of opposed for having ADMs in Goa. I share his concern, but my submission is that Goa being a tourist state, and since we are concerned with some income, we are required alternate income, ADMs are necessary. But when these festivals or musical festivals are held, police machinery should be very stringent and they should deal with things with iron hands. I am told that after this musical festival takes place, those who come from outside, they indulge in drugs. After that, perhaps when festival takes place, music program is there, nobody takes drugs. Maybe after that, over, throughout the night, that will be. So, but police can take state action. उंदरा मारपा खातीर घर लासचें न्ही हें म्हजें म्हणणें।
प्रुडंटा खातीर व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट शिरीष कुंकळेकार। टायट जावन गाडी चलयतल्या आड काणकोण पुलिसांनी अकस्मात ड्रायव्ह सुरू केली आनी स्कुलाचे बालरथ बसीचोच ड्रायव्हर सांपडलो। कात्यायणी बाणेश्वर हायस्कुलाच्या बालरथाचो ड्रायव्हर सुरेंद्र देसायाक मोटर व्हेइकल कायद्याखाला तालाव मारलो। ट्रॅफिक पुलिसांनी काणकोण पुलिसांकडेन कंप्लेन पावयल्या। काणकोणच्या बालरथांचो कारभार शुक्रारा एक्सपोज जालो। ट्रॅफिक पुलिसांनी टायट ड्रायव्हरा आड अकस्मात ड्रायव्ह सुरू केली आनी तातूंत सांपडलो स्कुलाचे बालरथ बसीचो टायट ड्रायव्हर। कात्यायणी बाणेश्वर हायस्कुलाच्या बालरथाचो ड्रायव्हर सुरेंद्र देसाय खंय पिवन गाडी चलयतालो। गाडयेंत 25 भुरगीं आशिल्लीं, कंडक्टरूय आशिल्लो। सध्या ड्रायव्हराक मोटर व्हेइकल कायद्याखाला ड्रंकन ड्रायव्हिंगा खातीर तालाव मारला। ट्रॅफिक पुलिसांनी चलन मारला आनी पुलीस कंप्लेन केल्या।
आम्ही आता त्याला 185 प्रमाणे त्याला निश्चित केला आणि सेकंडली आम्ही FIR केलं, FIR दिल्या, कंप्लेंट दिला पोलीस पण आम्ही अल्कोहोल ट्रायल चालू असतात आमच्या रॅन्डम राजकीय करता अल्कोहोल चालू असता।
स्कुलांतल्या भुरग्यां खातीर स्पेशल घाल्ल्या बालरथांचे ड्रायव्हर टायट जावंक लागिल्ल्यान पुलिशेच्या ड्रायव्हांतल्यान हो वेगळोच इश्यू वयर आयला। घडये शिक्षण खात्याक आतां गोंयभरच्या बालरथांचो कारभार तपासचो पडटलो। ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट। पेपर आनी पर्यावरण वाचोवंक सरकार आतां प्रिंटींग प्रेसांतले ऑफिशियल गॅझेट सुद्दां इलेक्ट्रॉनिक करतले। सैम सांबाळपाक जाय जाल्यार गरजे भायर वस्तू वापरच्यो न्ही, कोयर कमी करचो म्हूण मुख्यमंत्री पर्रीकारान गोवा एनवायरमेंटल फेस्टिवलांत उलो मारलो। एक्टिव्हिजम आनी डेव्हलपमेंटाचे इश्यू वेल्यान ताणें कांय एक्टिव्हिस्टांक बरेच तासले। कोळशाचे इश्यूचेरूय तो उलयलो।
3 दिसांचो गोवा एनवायरमेंटल फेस्टिवल कला अकादमीत सुरू जाला. उक्तावणाक मुख्यमंत्री पर्रीकार गार्बेज जनरेशनाचेर उलयलो.
Even if you save 20% of your wastage today, define it today, and save 20% out of it, I think major problem will just disappear. And actually that is the real message which I will like to go.
गव्हर्मेंटाचे गॅजेट सुद्धा आता इलेक्ट्रॉनिक येतले. रिकॉर्डाक दवरूंक फकत 1-2 कॉपी खंय छापतले.
If you have to print that book, print it only one copy. I have already issued instruction that Gazette of Goa, which must be taking tons of paper, be electronically circulated to all those where we have to circulate. And slowly I will withdraw the printed copy. Maybe 1 or 2 can be kept for record.
कोळसो एक्टिव्हिजम आणि डेव्हलपमेंटाचेर इश्यू काढून पर्रीकारान कांय एक्टिव्हिस्टांकूय तासले.
There has to be balance between activism and development. You cannot just overturn the few fellows came to me when mining was banned and they advised me to stop the mining permanently. 2-3 of them are considered as very good environmentalists. I said yes, I will stop it from tomorrow. It was stopped ultimately, but I will not restart it also, provided you start using bicycle, not car in which you came. Because if you want to use car, then don't say that you totally stop anything activity, because then you are consuming steel which comes from that mine. But if you stop import and every person decides that no coal will be used, then how do you get electricity? Otherwise enjoying zero pollution electricity, because none of the electricity we consume is manufactured in Goa except the garbage one and a flue gas generation by Sasagoa. Except these 2 plants, we don't generate any electricity, but we want AC to operate, we want everything.
सुवाळ्यात कांय पर्यावरण प्रेमींचो आणि म्युनिसिपालिटी वर्करांचो भोवमान जालो. फेस्टिवलाचे निमतान सविनयरूय काडला. सरकारी ऑफिसांनी लायटीची बचत करूंक प्रायोगिक तत्वार कांय सरकारी ऑफिसांनी खंय ह्युमन मुवमेंट सेन्सर ना जाल्यार इन्फ्रारेड सेन्सर बसोवपाचो विचार चल्ला. पर्रीकार सिदादी टॅक फेस्टाच्या उक्तावणाक गेल्लो.
Workout mechanisms. I'm always thinking of one thing. In fact, I'm doing it now in sort of a model scale, trial scale in some government offices to use movement sensor or to use infrared sensor. Why can't air conditioning industry think of a infrared sensor? That means if there is infrared signature in the room, then the AC will remain on as it is set off. But if the infrared signature disappears for some time, then only if you override a particular instruction, then only it will remain on, otherwise it will switch off automatically.
गोंयांत बरे इंजिनियर आसा, कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर ना. रस्ते करप सोंपें म्हूण खंय रस्त्यांचेच कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर चड.
We need actually good quality contractors. What we are lacking in Goa, if you ask me, there are enough engineers. There are Goan engineers who are working outside who will be willing to come. But the good quality contractors does not exist in Goa as of now. There is shortage of it. Some of them are there, but they are already heavily booked. See, the problem is here everyone wants to do road resurfacing, hot mixing, which is the easiest job.
प्रुडंटा खातीर तुळशीदास च्यारी आणि तुकाराम मराठे.
घेऊ एक ब्रेक.